What's up, y'all? So, first and foremost, I want to welcome you to this course. It is called the Analytics Breakdown course. I've put this course together for the sole purpose of helping you understand the information that's already in front of you. There's a lot of information on Instagram. They don't really put it all out there as far as here's how you do this, and this, because there's a lot of stuff to do, but also they kind of want you to figure it out. So, with that, I put together a course of everything I think you need to know from A to Z, or in this, I guess, A to C. But it's really going to be a breakdown from connecting your Instagram to your Facebook account, learning how to get analytics, how to see even where those analytics are, creating a page, a Google Sheet, which is basically an Excel document. We're going to be putting different categories in there, including the formulas that I've created. I say I definitely did create them, but they're not that intense. It's once you understand how the formulas are written, a lot of it will make a lot more sense to you, because you can actually go back in, see what the formula says, see what that category is, and make sure that that field matches that field. I know that sounds like another language right now, but the reason I say that is Instagram is ever changing. Whether you have an iPhone, maybe you have an Android, they look differently. More than that, I have some accounts across both platforms, multiple platforms even, if I have an iPad, and they don't all look the same. The same account will have different features on each platform. So when Instagram rolls things out, they roll it out differently. I don't have any idea. It's not necessarily account specific. It's not platform specific. I actually think it might be more IP driven, and that would make sense. That would change based on which platform. But then again, some of the accounts within that same phone or that same platform is different. So bear with me. If you see something on your account that doesn't look like what I'm talking about, shoot me a message or Worth. I would love to help you, whatever that next step is. If you click around enough, you should be able to find what you're looking for. But if not, reach out to me, because again, I want to help you. This all came together because I knew that I was not going to be able to help as many people as I wanted to. I can only handle so many in-house. We're already at about 5 personal clients that we're growing on a weekly basis. And I knew that I needed to scale. I needed to create something, because a lot of people were asking questions, and I wanted to put a course together that really helped people with that. So that's where this all came from. We're going to walk through this step by step all the way through, and as we go through, like I said, please ask questions. There will be a Facebook group available to you guys, linked below. Join that group. Ask other people questions. Ask the group questions. We're all there to help each other out. And as this grows, where I see things going in the future is a lot of people who understand their analytics, who think for themselves and know how to ask the right questions, but also test things, right? Think about having 100 different people who are all testing things themselves. I don't have to come up with all the magic and say, hey, well, this is what works best here. One of you guys can do that. Each of you could be testing different things all simultaneously, and collectively we're all teaching this stuff to each other. Maybe something that you found for 1 week or 2 weeks worked well, but it doesn't work for anybody else. That's something that we can study and figure out as well. But what this does is it gives me massive amounts of data, a lot of accounts to focus on together, and we can all communicate and figure out what helps our accounts best. So here's another thing. When the algorithm changes, this will be huge, because all of us will start having issues. You can ask in the group, hey, anybody else having any changes? Boom, you can catch that a lot quicker. That seems really simple, like, yeah, I'm going to catch that. I promise you, we just went through 3 weeks worth of trying to figure out why all of these accounts out of nowhere were changing. I had to reach out to big accounts that I know saying, hey, are you guys seeing this stuff happen too? And they said, yeah, pretty much all of our accounts are dropping. We think Instagram changed their algorithm. If I have 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 people that are all doing this and we're all talking to each other, I'm telling you, we literally can catch this in a couple days. Really, possibly even the day that it happens, if enough people are like, whoa, something changed. I'm used to getting 300 likes per post. This one's only seeing 60. What happened? I don't know. So with that, I really want to welcome you guys. I'm glad you're part of this group. I'm so appreciative for each and every single one of you guys. Please ask questions. Please help each other. Let's continue to grow, and I will see you guys later.